don't remember what you've been saying. Okay, anyways, we're just gonna start. Let's leave that in. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the 7030 podcast. We're here with it's just me and Typhool this time. And we are trying to
Said he'd come up, but he's a liar. So.
I don't know. Well, this is gonna just be 30% episode
I
because
need to study for my chemistry test.
we all gotta study for chem. So we'll be doing that. Don't count on free K coming. My phone?
Yeah, I was looking. I was reading that.
Okay, she was reading that.
Previously evacuated, and the reaction represented above takes place. Okay, someone's at the window, and he's like tiddling him. 6 mole.
They don't have to wobble.
7 mole.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
the-
no!
The chem
I can't lock in with these two.
No, it's fine.
No, I know. I was
Yeah,
asking
yeah,
for
yeah.
kind of.
The chem test was like, no, actually, it was low key, like, I just didn't know how to do it. Anyways. Okay, so, like, it was like what you would expect to be on the test. Like, all that good jazz.
All the bullshit.
So what?
All the bullshit.
Yeah, all the bullshit. Appreciate that.
I got it.
That's so tough. Alright, there you go. Alright, my bad, guys. I was shoe swapping. I don't know what Typhool's doing.
Drawing the graph.
So, like, low-key, guys. Okay. So, we did just have... I had it.
I'm so freaking smart, yo.
Me when I lie.
I figured it out.
So,
Added.
did you give me two? So, I low-key did just have a chemistry test, and
Questions.
I low-key did just fail. And no, I failed. Because I literally wrote, I'm taking a guess for one of the free response questions. It's part of what I wrote. So,
PCl3 plus C.
Typhool, why do you have a screwdriver? Or whatever the hell this is.
That's a crochet hook.
Oh, that is? Okay, I'm gonna...
Doing stuff.
Typhool likes being a grandma and crocheting.
So this goes up.
Okay, done.
Those two at equilibrium.
So,
Have the initial.
how have you guys been?
That's rice.
Pretty nice, you know?
Rice.
Ice? Like,
6, 7,
and then at the end she says,
4 starts with 0. So this is x minus x.
is he gonna give you the
minus
same
x.
test? Because
I don't know, but I'm sure it's like something. This is good practice, by the way. Also, I'm not stupid. I read the not like free K. Tell them what happened that time.
Oh, so basically, what was it, like about a month ago or something? We had another chemistry test, and we all have the same chemistry. Me, Typhool, and free K. And I am prone to helping people with a test, like a lot, because I have it first period, and everybody else has it after me.
6.
So, free K memorized the test.
What the fuck?
He memorized the test answers, but he had he had chemistry on a different day than I did. So, and the teacher gave the other day,
Together.
the teacher gave the other day students a different test than the first day students. So he memorized the test, he memorized the answers,
And I was teaching him too. I was teaching him like the concepts and stuff. He still memorized them.
and he memorized the wrong test questions. Literally the wrong test questions he memorized.
Yeah, that's how I know he needs my help right now. He's like, stupid ass.
I would say I need your help, but I'm gonna lock it on unit 7.11. Anyways, so, and then the teacher caught him.
And it was like, yo, dude.
He was like, "Yo, what?" Yeah, he was pretty chill about it, and at least Freaky was honest about it. He's like, "Yeah, I cheated," and he even got like a reward out of it too, the little point thingy, which was funny. But yeah, Freaky's low key stupid.
He's not stupid. Don't say that about him. Okay, Ecomotor.
He's low key stupid.
Hey. So the same amount. What? Added
Well, Typhool has just gone off and started studying by herself with my phone. Who's that? That is
Castro's here. And he's
Castro is here and he needs supposed to be here with
supposed
us.
to be here. Is he not on the second floor at all?
Try first building.
I'm studying chemistry. You study. You tell me what you need help with because I need to look at.
I'll just look. Because I understand rice tables and I understand
Rice
KC
tables.
and
I
QC.
don't think
There's
rice
more
tables are on there.
Like a lot.
I don't think rice tables are on
I
there.
just used rice. Stupid ass.
Okay, well fuck you too then. Give me my
This
phone
is just
back.
an effort for you. I think I'm gonna cook on the MCQ too because I was having a delightful time this morning.
That's 7.11. That's the new stuff.
Equimolar amount of L2
So we're doing 7.6. Oh my god.
It's 7.1 through 7.10. That's the test.
plus O2.
Why do we have 7.11?
No, 7.11 was the one from today because he just gave us 7.11 after the test.
Exothermic.
Like you do the test and then he gives you the packet. I don't know what the hell that is.
That's the packet. One's 7.1.
112. If what? This isn't grams.
The only thing I don't understand are these.
I'm gonna fuck with
tables.
Typhool real quick.
3.2
Which one?
grams.
I don't know why I'm grabbing it like I'm about to help you. When they cross, they're at equilibrium.
Okay.
That's all I know.
Grams. Equimolar. So however many moles this makes. Use
What did you do?
nothing.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. I'm just looking at the picture.
Why is my phone beeping?
I don't know. You didn't get a notification. What the fuck? That's quite easy. It's the same moles here, right?
I'm messing with Typhool.
And whatever this is times 2.
This is raw. What are you doing to my
I'm
phone?
doing anything. I'm literally holding it by the case.
Where the
I'm
heck?
hungry.
You're hungry?
Excess.
There's an expo marker right here.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I know that this is 2 times. So whatever moles this makes.
Where you at, bro?
Oxidization. What the fuck?
You remember Carl?
Who's that? Free game?
Alright, I'm gonna pull up. We need to study for chem, bro. Did you do your chem reassessment?
You about to say who is we?
What do you mean you didn't do it, bro?
He said he'd take it.
Just get over here and spit out. I'll text you.
Alright. I'll be on my way.
Tell him if he wants to lock in on the other one, he has to like pull up
I will.
and study it.
I want to reassess
On this one,
on this one.
2 moles. So I guess it's
Yeah,
time
let
to
me,
oxidize in the reaction. Oh, because freaking it's endothermic. Oh, sorry, it's exothermic.
Yeah, well, Kasha's gone.
Oxidization.
So while Typhool's doing that, I thought I'd give you a little life update.
What the fuck? What? What do you mean oxidation?
Actually, you guys, I feel like you guys would want to listen to her crash out because she's like caffeinated today. I don't know what's good. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Mikasa, on the other side of the sea. Mikasa, this fit cost me $5,000, and now I can't pay rent.
Your fit costs $100 max.
Wait, no, it's like it's reference. It's voice line.
I can tell.
This fit cost me $5,000. What the fuck? Which element is oxidation?
This is why we don't give Typhool coffee. This is why we restrict her coffee use or any like caffeine consumption use.
Oxidation numbers. How you find that? Oxidate that. I don't want to know how to do it.
She doesn't know how to do it, guys.
I did. Oxidation. How
Hey
to- This is
guys,
not on the speaking unit. Find ox-
you guys, how you guys doing today? You know, who's that?
Castro.
Like yell to the mic.
He's not coming?
No.
Why not?
He'll come later because he's doing some AI shit.
He'll come later because he's doing AI shit. This guy's not coming.
Okay, yeah, it's just the freaking periodic table.
Period.
How do I calculate the oxidation number?
Hey Siri, how do you
Oh, what
calculate
the
the
fuck?
oxidation number?
Monatomic group 1. Oh, okay. Where's my periodic table?
Apparently there was a question there that we only talked about once, and like he skimmed
I'm
over.
looking at it, or I haven't. Don't touch that. What does no touch mean?
How many do you have?
A lot.
What is
They're
in there?
romance. I have to do something to manage.
I thought she was talking about something else. Okay.
Where's my? I will cry if I don't have it.
I'm gonna laugh. That's what I'm gonna do.
Sorry, open something. Can you look at the
That
periodic
is
table on
not
your
my
laptop,
phone.
please? I'm not done with that, Tyler, and I will cry.
Hold on.
Print this
I have to print it out.
Oh,
No, Mr. Verkler prints it out, but he has to. He gives it to me.
open the periodic table, please.
Cause damn, bro.
On the other side of the sea.
Shut up!
15 minutes until the frat party.
What is wrong with
Please
you?
open the periodic table with the charges.
That was loud.
Mikasa.
This is like
$5,000.
a brain rotted episode. I don't know what the fuck this is. We're like,
Genuinely locked in. This is supposed to be a
who is? What do you mean genuinely locked in? I am not locked in right now. Typhool is.
But that's just you, T.
Typhool's going insane right now. My phone turned off.
Mikasa. On the other side of the sea.
And by the way, you named your podcast wrong. It's definitely not 70-30. It's more like 50-50.
Armin. Mikasa. On the other side of the sea.
Genuinely.
Pose. What do you mean? What the fuck? What? Which element is oxidized in this reaction? I don't know. Why don't you yourself? Mikasa. Armin.
I'll just let you listen to this.
On the
I know,
other
she's
side
just
of
like
the
genuinely
sea.
crazy.
Okay, you know what? What if I skip this question? I can take it. I'm taking 2. Okay. Answer the following questions related to the solubility of calcium dioxide. Okay. Right. Why are you pushing me? It's not mine. Write a balanced equation for the dissolution of CaOH2 in pure water. Shit, I don't know. I'm so proud. Mikasa. Armin. On the other side of the sea.
Someone needs to tape their mouth together.
Can you not do that?
Oh, shucks.
Like genuinely. Okay, thank you.
That's a great song.
Oh, equation. Yes. I'm cutting that out.
I did that.
Drake, bro.
I did that in the microphone.
I need Drake to drop tomorrow.
See,
Like,
can you what? We have, this is not what we've been learning.
ZA got
Like,
that
at
dope.
all.
let me see.
This makes no sense. This has nothing to do. Don't do that. No. Like at all. I'm gonna cry. I'm not actually gonna cry. Mikasa. This fit cost me $5,000.
Shut up!
Yeah, I don't think he genuinely taught us that. He taught us like,
This was like 2 months ago. This is so frustrating.
he taught us QC and KC
I don't know if it's like Q
And-
or C. Oh.
and rice tables.
Okay, the value of KC for KPs.
Light bulb.
No, I need to know.
Light bulb.
Stupid ass question.
I don't know.
Can you grab me a rag also from Mr. Carlos? Fuck it.
I'm not walking out of this class. Or out of this.
What do you need a rag for? You have 2 erasers.
Yeah, but it's like not.
Got the neighbors.
Wah, wah.
Write a balanced chemical equation for the dissolution.
Bro, doesn't she have such like TikTok music taste?
Who?
And Typhool.
I don't know. She just listens to unknowns. How much you wanna bet I can throw it and land it behind there?
Mikasa, you have to get off that bullshit testosterone and bi-weekly steroids. What's wrong with these steroids?
I feel like Typhool would be the one to blast steroids and absolutely roid rage at everything in sight.
You're a 12-year-old girl. You're supposed to be menstruating. Mikasa. Armin. On the other side of the sea. What do you mean? Why do you even do this?
How to finish AI?
That's okay.
Yeah. She's crashing out.
I'm not.
question. The test is about nothing that he's taught us.
And then
Mikasa.
You know rest tables?
Armin.
You know KC? You know QC? Yeah, nah, forget about that.
On the other side
I know
of the
for a
sea.
fact that there's one right
Or the
on
holes.
SRQ and one on MCQ. It's 2 points at everything. Is it that bad?
yeah,
Did
I
you
just
take
had
pictures?
that's what she's looking at.
Is it? And it's nothing we learned.
Yeah, I mean, we've learned it, just not recently.
Is it wasn't on the packet?
No.
No. Okay, maybe I can get.
Getting my cheeks grabbed in a.
Not am I just getting my cheese grabbed. I'm getting lifted up. Do you know? Oh, I don't know. I can't say his name. The special. When he got picked up by a CB
Yeah.
and just got absolutely like hit from the back, legs flying all over the place.
So I'm just stupid. It's literally just. You're so smart, Tyler. How did you get this right?
What do you mean I got it right? The fuck you mean? Let me see it. No, let me see that. Let me see it. Give me my phone.
No.
Wait. Well, how did you get it right? And what is the question?
I was looking at it. Why is it doing that? It's pissing me off.
I got it right?
Yes, this is how you do
Wait.
the solution.
That's not even the test anymore. It's not even the test.
Fuck you mean that's not the test?
Anything past this isn't the test. That's the packet he gave us.
Oh my days. Oh my days.
Oh, so we're fried.
I have the new packet.
And how do you take pictures and no one says anything?
Mikasa.
'Cause
This
he's
bit
lying
cost
the
me
fuck.
$5,000. And now I
okay,
can't
okay.
pay rent.
He doesn't like say anything, or he doesn't like.
He doesn't notice. He doesn't catch me.
Dude,
PP.
I took pictures.
Oh my, you're so aggressive. So aggressive with this.
Here's the new packet.
Yeah.
Minus 3.
You what?
Packet.
What is this?
7.11 through like whatever.
With ionization numbers.
I told you, Typhool, I don't like it from the back.
Mikasa. Armin.
Andrea, shut
Dude,
up.
She's been on some like anime shit, bro.
Oh, I hate anime.
Yes,
So
bro, me
let's-
too.
No.
She's an actual like stinker now.
What?
The second you started saying
Typhool.
some anime shit and talking about Lufa, yeah,
Konnichiwa.
long
Is
gone.
that how you say it? Does it say that?
That's not.
Konnichiwa, arigato. Oh wait, oh wait.
Goku.
Oh.
Wait, what?
You both draw slurs.
Yeah, we love you.
I wanted to say it
Who's
mad.
Who's we? Who's we?
As you do. Us.
Not us.
One
Us.
plus
you.
1.
You fuck my shoes.
Bullshit.
Tim's.
Yeah.
Chemistry.
He
5.
said
Oh wait, I'm
distance.
so
Have you
stupid.
seen the?
He's a distance.
Oh, actually.
One,
Wait, what's your other shoe? Are they both Tim's?
Yeah.
Oh, you switched.
3, 4.
He walked in here. We just switched.
So it is 5.
You know the
5.
Tim boxing boots?
Ooh, Bob.
No.
See
Oh,
y'all.
okay. Why is this so accurate?
What?
Also, why is that accurate? Is this the test hard?
Mikasa, you have to get off that testosterone bullshit.
I will throw my phone at your forehead.
Get over your phone!
Oh, you could have just said that.
I did!
You did not.
Thank you.
You handed it to me and said, "Here."
No, wait. 7, 1, 2, 2.
Why are we? Wow.
Because it asks for the stop diagram. This is all it is, little bro.
But it's easy, right? It's not,
Bro, is
complex.
that
What's
like
the
your
shit?
ringtone, bro?
What is the shape of the PCl3 molecule?
PCL.
I think the ship is.
This is a tetra freaking. This one, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I know! I'm
You
gonna
have to find out the geometric shape or whatever? And the angle?
No, not the angle, just the shape.
But how are we supposed to know? Did you take the test already or no?
No, I haven't.
Oh, yeah.
Last year.
Then why'd you say you took pictures?
Huh?
Why'd you say you took pictures? Oh, the last one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you turn this off? What is happening? This is making me sick. Okay, okay, wait. I actually might have
I
to
swear
test
your
this. This
phone's
is like
tweaking, bro. What the heck?
all that is. Okay. On the curve, each carefully draw. Okay. I will cry. I will start crying. Mikasa! This fit cost me $5,000, and now I can't pay rent.
What is that? Are you quoting anime now?
It's not.
Oh.
It's an abridged.
So this is people are gonna pay $10
Who's
for this,
this
right?
Jaeger
Yeah.
with Jaeger? That's
So
Armin.
here, say the N-word.
He's
You
not a
guys.
girl.
I wanna. And this is like an crash out.
Oh.
Oh, a top full crash out.
How much, if okay, is consumed? How many?
Bro, can you fix your
How many
damn
moles is
phone,
this?
bro? What the heck?
Moles.
This sound lucky is tough.
Which one?
How many
Ronca
moles?
fritaya. I've been on Ariana Grande like a
element is
dumbass.
oxidized?
Actually?
Yes, bro. Ariana Grande hits.
For real?
Yes,
Which
bro.
element is oxidized?
Like I played a basic
element
ass
is
song when I
awesome?
got here, but like, dude,
Mikasa.
I've just
This
been
beat
on
cost me $5,000.
song after song after song
No, I
straight
can't
Ariana
pay
Grande.
Dua Lipa's tough too. You know that? You remember that one song with the baby?
Let's go.
Wait.
Yeah, that
No, I
one.
don't know what I'm doing. Oxidized. That
What
one's
happened to the
oxidation.
Nigga fell off.
This is during the
He
reaction.
fell off.
Let's go.
The baby, nah, look, the baby's tough as hell, but he fell off.
Yeah. But in his prime, he was tough.
His prime was tough. Now you know who was tough in his prime?
Who?
Lil Nas X.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, he wasn't, bro.
Yes, he
Stop
Ariana
playing.
Grande
I'll just-
sings like the weekend.
Panini is so good.
Hey, Panini, don't you be a meanie, huh?
And Industry Baby. That's like my favorite.
Baby.
Industry baby is devious.
You remember, what's his name? Jack, is it Jack,
Jack
Harlow?
Harlow.
Jack
Yeah,
Harlow.
yeah.
You know he's
fell off.
6'4"?
6'4"?
He's 6'4".
Don't he sing country music now, or is that Post Malone?
That's him. That's
No, Post Malone singing country is actually really good.
Yeah, and
He has
did
some
one with more
good
than
ass
one.
songs.
And he went viral
Okay,
with
so
more
I'm
than
getting
one.
Yeah.
two wrong.
But what about,
some help.
yeah, he sings good, right? Like good country.
Yeah, he sings really well.
What about, what happened to Jack Harlow though?
fell off.
He just fell
Is
off.
the chemistry test only 2 pages?
I just didn't get the rest.
No, I found
Oh.
it. No, I grabbed it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
much did
it's
you
3
miss?
pages. I just forgot the first picture.
Just way more than 3 pages.
How many
Which
pages?
element is oxidized in the
I
reaction?
got at least 7 pages.
7?
But that's because it's big. I think it's a front and a back.
Oh.
Maybe a 3rd page as well. I don't know. Bro, no, I had like 10 pages.
So Jack Harlow just fell off, but like at least Post Malone.
Typhool, let me get my phone
It's like
real
country. It's
No.
so crazy.
Fuck you mean no?
What time is research on?
Nitrogen.
9:35 in like 20
Increases
minutes. Or I don't even know.
To
Who's ready to break up
Trippy
couple
Red!
Shut
Trippy Red. Who's ready to break up?
If that's all it is, that's fine. I want to get one.
Yeah, you're trying to wait at the KFCs for like 2 hours.
Okay, I get it.
Today.
So I might go to CB
I
South
understand it now.
For who? Oh yeah, CB. Yeah, let me get my phone. It's
It's
okay.
okay.
Tomorrow I'm going to the local with Alfonso.
I'm gonna go to your
Mexican
mom.
Restaurant. Like, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna carpool with you guys.
Whoa,
Or should I CB
Who's
South?
this baby with
Cause
me?
CB is gonna be like
That's
me, him, Colin,
Armin, and
and
he's
then
not
I'm
a
like,
girl. Mikasa. Armin. On the other side of the seat.
We gonna eat like
By the
crazy
house.
at Locals though.
15 minutes
Oh,
into the
you
frat
lucky?
party, Armin.
Cause are y'all going right after school?
Yeah, straight up.
And then what are y'all gonna do in the meantime? You're just gonna chill until they're coming?
Nah,
I
Loki.
don't know.
That's what I'm saying. We could go to KFC then, or we
We
could
could-
eat there, or we could go to CB's house.
CB's house is literally right there.
CB's house is like a 2-minute walk.
But you gotta like I know he's chill about it, but you gotta ask him if he can pull up.
Yeah.
Mikasa.
No, but like we'll just like pull up in a carpool, just say hi, like
Nigga,
what's up?
No.
What's going on?
This fit cost me
So
$5,000.
y'all are going straight from school
No, I
to
can't
the
pay
Mexican
that.
restaurant. Y'all are gonna eat there and chill. And when it turns 5 o'clock, go straight to the fair.
Okay, so do you guys know what happens to a reaction when you start diddling with it?
The what?
You
What?
start messing with it.
It changes.
Oh yeah? How? What happens when you stress a reaction by adding reactant?
Can CB
It gets
drive?
tired
Or are you
and
guys
stressed.
gonna walk?
We're gonna
Can
walk.
CB drive or are you guys gonna walk?
No, CB doesn't. He doesn't have his
I'm going
license. We're
to
walking to
assume
his
that
house.
you guys don't want my help. No, I'm just-
But the kids who are going to CB's house aren't going to the fair. So
What do you mean?
I might just chill at his house and then walk to you guys.
That's
at the
that's what I'm
Mexican
saying.
restaurant.
Yeah, we could chill at CB's for a little bit, and then if it's me and you, then we could walk.
Yeah, walk to the Mexican restaurant.
Or if anything, I'll lucky just go home and change the shit.
Yeah. Oh, you have to bring a bag.
This
'Cause I
fit
gotta-
cost
I'm
me
not gonna be
$5,000.
there.
Typhool!
And
I'm
now
not gonna-
Typhool!
Are
Stop!
you gonna change or not?
I would
I'm gonna
stop
let you
maybe
go
if I
fancy
was
tomorrow.
teaching.
Fancy?
Like button up.
To a fair.
Button up to a fair, read
To
that
a
ass.
fair? You're going button up to a fair?
Button up, but like all black, rolled up sleeves, like open with chains and shit.
To a fair.
That's
Yeah.
It's not that serious.
a hot ass fair.
Don't wear like.
I'm coming butt booty naked.
Yeah, Loki. I'm gonna go in my bathing suit. and
Butt
shit
booty
like that.
naked.
Yeah, shirt, I'm just like.
But I'm going butt booty
Yo,
naked.
you know
bro.
that one ride where it spins you and you're like on the wall?
Yeah.
That one's hella fun. I'll be like upside
I feel like I feel like would be harassing the animals there.
Mika-san, what?
You know got the
This
you
fit
know how they got like the bunnies and shit.
$5,000, and now I can't pay rent.
You know how they got like the
That's all
bunnies
you.
and shit at the
That's
fair.
all you.
How they got the bunnies and shit at the fair.
Yeah.
They would start harassing the bunnies.
I would not.
She would like grab her goldfish.
You said my name 4 times past 30 seconds.
Ooh.
Okay, do you
Yo.
want like a review? Because like past rights, there's like another half of the.
That we haven't done.
Not that we haven't done, but that I know.
Y'all got it. I'll just wait for a reassessment.
Alright, yeah.
You're gonna wait.
No review right now.
Okay.
And then
What time is it?
tell me what to
It's
study on.
21.
7.8 through 7.10.
I can't wait for Drake to drop tomorrow.
Ooh, I'll Valentine's Day,
Dude.
brother. Go crazy.
Backshot music too.
Yo, Drake and Party Next Door about to go
That's a crazy ass combo.
crazy. And you know what? It's called some
Oh,
sexy
those
sounds.
sounds. Oh,
The album is called some sex. It's SSS, some sexy sounds. Bro, it's about to be devious. It's about to be so like romantic.
dude, it's gonna be like straight backshot music after backshot music.
I hate it. Yeah.
What happened?
But it's AI video.
What the fuck, bro?
You know Daniel Caesar's also
Yo,
dropping.
Typhool.
What?
Typhool.
Are you
Typhool.
for real?
Yes, he's dropping tomorrow.
Typhool.
Do you even like Daniel Caesar?
I
I don't
like a
like
few of
him
his
either.
songs.
I listen to like superpowers and like basic ass
Yeah, me
songs,
too.
but I haven't really gotten.
Like his
into
most
him.
popular song.
Yeah.
I listen to.
I listen to.
I haven't really like gone deep diving into him.
Oh, speak.
Okay, you're right.
And when you add reactors, what do you think? What do you think happens to the?
$$1 Rizzler Ohio
When you
got.
add a reactant, what direction do you think that the reaction will shift to?
The
Now
right.
account for the added.
So if I add a reactant on this side, so then it's gonna shift this way to counteract it, right? Or no? Okay.
Right.
Because that's more reactant, so it needs to shift to the right.
Exactly.
Are you more skibbity toilet or more hawk to it?
And what about when you decrease a reactant?
When you what?
Decrease a reactant.
Decrease a reactant, then it shifts to the reactants.
Oh, wait, I got lower.
It shifts to the left, which is the reactants.
Oh, yeah.
You can't say shift to left or shift to right. You have
Oh,
to
you
say
can't?
it has to shift towards
Free
the
K.
reaction.
Come here.
Because to the left or to the right is
Okay.
Can you not distract, bro?
Hold on. It's important. It's important.
You trying to like go scouting at the fair?
Mika-san.
Yeah.
Look.
This fit cost me $5,000.
Oh
And
my
now I
God.
can't pay rent.
It's all his Super Bowl songs in one.
Can we not? Right next to the microphone where I have to blur out all of those N-words.
They didn't pick that up. The gain is down.
It's, wait, so it's all of them
It's
combined?
all of them in like one, and the transitions are smooth as hell. So
It's
that's the
hella
transition.
tough. Yeah, it's super like smooth with it.
Ariana Grande backshot music is
That,
so
you heard that one?
Yeah. That's hella like tough transition. It's super smooth. What's the
That's what she said.
When you dilute a reaction,
Yeah.
which direction does it shift? And I told you which ones are aqueous, which is relevant incredibly. So when it's an aqueous reaction, it means that it's like something dissolved in water, right?
Yeah, and liquid is just by itself. Like, you know.
Yeah, you don't even touch it.
And now we're like,
But
get it,
that's
get
what
it,
aqueous
get
means.
it, yeah.
When you're adding water, it's going to shift towards the side with the most aqueous species because
They not like us. Typhool, I think you got
I
that.
didn't remember that. Okay, so if it.
Alright, guys, I'll leave the
if
studio
shift-
for a little bit.
shift to the side with the more of like these.
aqueous, yes. So like if it's like if C appears and it's liquid, it's still gonna shift this way because liquid is not aqueous.
Got it.
And then when you
You know what is this one?
that's crochet, that's fine.
Let me know that.
Okay, what about when you concentrate a reaction?
Whatever.
When you concentrate a reaction, when you take out water.
So wouldn't it would shift to the side with less of these?
What were you
There
crocheting?
you go. I'm making flowers for my friend. For Valentine's Day.
That's when you increase the concentration, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. How about when you increase the pressure? Increase pressure. Which you can also say by decreasing volume.
You're asking what, like which side it shifts to?
What is it? Why does this look like a tooth, bro?
I'm gonna assume
Like,
it shifts.
does that not look like a cheap Walmart toothbrush, bro?
No, look. Oh,
Enrique, does that not look like a cheap Walmart?
Yes,
toothbrush?
I was thinking the same thing.
Like the one where little kids chew on the back.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a better example. Where 2A plus B is A to B, right?
Mm.
I don't know if that like makes
Good,
sense, but
you got power.
when you increase the pressure, it's making like smaller, right? You know how to increase pressure?
Yeah.
It'll cause this to shift to the side with the fewest number of moles. So you were right, but not like you didn't know why, right?
Yeah.
See how there's 3 moles on this side? Because 2 moles of A plus 1 mole of B, right? Is 1. Can you not? Like genuinely. Like days. What are you even doing, man? And then it turns into 1 mole of A to B. So see how there's less?
Bag shop music.
It's going to go that way.
Okay, that makes sense.
And when you decrease pressure or increase volume, it does the opposite. And I've seen more of this than saying it like that.
More of increasing the volume.
Like the language being like volume related instead of directly pressure.
Oh, okay.
So you also have to know that decrease in volume means increase in pressure and vice versa.
So if it's increasing in volume, would be the side with the more moles?
Yes, that's where it shows. Okay, and then what do you think happens when you add a catalyst to a reaction? To the like K.
Like what side shifts to, or?
Does the KC change? Does something change?
Hey, freaking.
I'm gonna say no.
Why?
I don't know. What, was I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're asking why.
Hey, I'm a good guesser.
Enrique,
We're so fried.
trying to recreate the Putting Next Door album
So,
cover.
you know, maybe next
You know
tutoring
what I mean?
session I kick you out, little bro.
Kicking out Castro?
Yes. Next tutoring session. Because
What?
we were getting somewhere.
I'm sorry.
Oh my days. Because a catalyst is most likely going to be a liquid or a solid, and those aren't included in the K anyway. And K and a catalyst is not going to have an impact on how much it just speeds up the reaction. It
Yeah.
doesn't change how much of the like moles or anything else.
So, just to be clear, if there's a catalyst added, the KC and KP do not change?
Right.
Okay. Do I really need to know why or not?
I mean, it's pretty simple. Like,
Okay.
a catalyst just increases how fast a reaction happens.
Yes.
Which is what we learned that.
Yeah, I remember. That's why I remember.
Okay. Okay, so this. So we've been dealing with all of this, and we're supposed to have this understanding that the K doesn't change, even though this stuff is happening to the C, right?
You're showing me something. Continue.
So, like, all of this is happening to a reaction. What the fuck? To a reaction. Like, it'll increase to a reaction. And this is at equilibrium. When this isn't happening, this is at equilibrium, right?
Mm-hmm.
And when this does happen, it turns into the C value. So we're here with the, like, understanding that the numbers they're going to give us are going to give us our C after this stress, right? You know, I'm getting everywhere right now. And it's going to ask how the like result of this stress is going to shift towards the K.
Oh, back.
So that's what this is. This was going to be the answer to your questions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like which direction. But in any of these situations, K doesn't change, right? The equilibrium doesn't change.
Anyways,
But when you change
I don't know what's.
Why did you grab it?
when you change the
Because she's too short.
Shut up. When you change the temperature, this is all like the K does change. Like the rate
temperature?
changes.
When temperature changes?
Okay, so when temperature goes up, what do you think happens?
When
Something.
it goes up?
Ooh, this one has like I can't teach this in 5 minutes. Because it has like 4 like really key things they have to know. When temperature goes up and it's an endothermic reaction. You're so fried.
Anyways, I'm just gonna say bye bye.
Plus B.
Bye, guys.